Yeah, good morning, boys and girls. So, welcome for today's lesson. We are going to talk about the pronouns. I believe that it's not a new term. It is something that it's a word that you have come across, maybe even in grade 4 or even in grade 3. So we have several parts of speech. Pronoun is one of them. You know the nouns, you have adjective, you have adverbs, you have verbs, you have conjunction. Then we also have what we call a pronoun. So in today's lesson, we are going to talk about these pronouns. Therefore, first thing, you must know, what is a pronoun? What is a pronoun? So for example, look here. Let me write this example. Mohammed is playing. Can you read the sentence? Can you read the sentence? Mohammed is playing. Can you show me a noun in this sentence?
Mohammed is playing.
Can you show me a noun in this sentence?
Mohammed.
Yeah, so Mohammed is a noun. Mohammed is a noun. Therefore, Mohammed is a name of a person. Is she, or a he? He. So, we can say, instead of using Mohammed, we can say he is playing. He is playing. So we have replaced Mohammed with the he. Therefore, he is a pronoun. He is a pronoun. Therefore, what is a pronoun now? Can somebody tell us what a pronoun is? Abdikarim? Yeah. So when we talk about a pronoun or pronouns, pronouns are used instead or in place of a noun. So talk about a pronoun. Instead of you using a noun, you replace it with a pronoun now. So this example here, he is a pronoun. It represents Mohammed, which is a noun now. So pronouns are used, pronouns are words used instead or in place of a noun. So in grade 5, you're going to talk about these two types of pronoun. We have several of them, by the way. Remember, you talked about reflex pronoun. You also have these two. You can add in your list. We have this. We have personal pronouns and possessive pronoun. So you're going to talk about these two pronouns, the personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. So let us start by talking about personal. So as the word suggests, personal pronouns. Who can give it a try? What's a personal pronoun? Who can give it a try? If you know, just carry up your hand. Dada boy. So when you talk about personal pronoun are used to refer to people. Yeah, personal pronoun are used to refer to people. And a good example I'll come back here again. Mohammed is the name of a person. We are using he. So we are referring to this noun Mohammed. And remember, Mohammed is the name of a person. So when talk about personal pronoun, are used to refer to people. They are used to refer to people. Therefore, we have examples of this personal pronoun. We have examples. Examples of personal pronoun. One, let us start with this one. He. If we have he, it means we'll also have what? She. So he for a boy, she for a girl. Then talk about the plural of these two. What is the plural of he and she? They. What is the plural of he and she? They. Yeah, so they is also there. Then we have I. We have you. Then? Yeah, so we have those one now. You can even talk about we. So there are many, by the way. These are just but examples. So he, she, they, I, you, and we are examples of personal pronoun. Are examples of personal pronoun. So they are used to refer to people. They are used to refer to what? To people now. So we can give it a try again. Maybe you choose one and construct a sentence using any personal pronoun that you want here. Hamza, you want to try? Choose any. It seems you know something. Tell us.
This dog is mine.
This door.
That's mine.
Huh?
This dog is mine.
No. You have said this door. Use one of these one. Munir. Munir is saying she is cooking. She is cooking. So examples in sentence. She is cooking. Yeah. So you can ask, she is a pronoun now. You might want to use a name of a girl. You can say Fardosa. Fardosa is cooking. So Fardosa is a name of a girl. She's talk about a person now. So instead of the word Fardosa, we use she. She is cooking. Girls? Yeah? Huh? He's playing. He is playing. You are just constructing very simple sentences. He is playing. Yeah. He is playing football. It's a very simple sentence, by the way. Grammatically correct. He is playing football. Can you use another one? I will do my homework. Yeah, I will do my homework. So the last one, use they. Who'll try with they? Yeah, governor, senator. Yeah, the plural. They are playing football. They are playing football. Very simple sentence, by the way. Thank you. You will write it in your exercise book now. So they are playing football. So you can see now when asked to underline maybe the pronoun, the personal pronoun in the following sentences, we have then, yeah. So those are examples of personal pronoun. And just like we have said, they are used to refer to people. They are used to refer to people. These are just but examples. Then you also have another one. We also have another one. This one. Another example is known as possessive pronoun. You have now we have that one. Possessive pronoun. So as the word suggests, possessive, it comes from the word to possess. So these are pronouns that are used to show ownership. When I say ownership, it means what? It means that whatever you're talking about, it belongs to somebody else, or it belongs to somebody. So possessive pronouns are used to show what? Ownership, or to show that something belongs to someone. Yeah. Possessive pronoun. They are used to show ownership, to possess. When you say, for example, the book is mine. The book is mine. The book is mine. So it means what? This book belongs to Mr. Omondi. Therefore, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun are used to show something belongs to someone. Yeah. It shows ownership, in short. Possessive pronoun shows ownership. It shows that something belongs to someone. Therefore, without wasting time, let us give examples. Some examples of possessive. If not all, just some examples of possessive pronoun. The common one, the one I've used now is mine. Another one is we have ours, then we have his, we have yours, we have theirs, his is there, we have hers. Yeah, like that. So these are just but examples. There are also other examples, but these are just a few that we have just mentioned. So we have, can you read the first one? Has. So these are examples of possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. So I just want you to construct maybe 2 or 3 sentences using any. So can you construct?
This bra is mine.
Huh?
This bra is mine.
Is?
This dog is mine.
Huh?
This dog is mine.
Oh, this dog. This dog is mine. This dog is mine. A girl. Governor, okay? Want to say something? You're only using mine. That book is mine. So can you use another one now? Leave alone mine. Apart from mine. Hamza? Huh? Hamza, can you be serious? Come back in class. We're talking about possessive, not personal. Possessive pronoun. Chana? This book is mine. I've said now let us use another one apart from mine. Because there's this dog is mine, that book is mine, this book is mine. You only talk about mine, not about even ours. Those book is ours. Those book. You talk about plural and you're using is. Those books. Can you change? Instead of is, you use what? Are, yeah. So those books are ours. Those books are ours. Yeah, those books are ours. So, the last one, a girl now, Senator. Huh? No. But you have tried, eh? Okay, so just know you'll write the remaining sentence in your exercise books. Just know this, that when you're talking about possessive pronoun, whatever you are referring to, it belongs to somebody or it belongs to someone now. So they just show ownership. And these are just but examples. When talking about personal pronoun, just know that you are referring to people. You are referring to people now. So you'll be talking about different types of pronoun. Even maybe in grade 6, you'll talk about another one known as indefinite pronoun. So you'll be talking about them. So I think we have come to the end of our lesson. We have come to the end of our lesson. Thank you very much for lending me your ears.